I kind of use the same mentality with any changes actually that are technology related. Rather than just go in and try and make the technology do the change first, prove it out the traditional way. Like, let's say we need to have a form that does this. Oh, we want to put the form in the app is usually the first question. Like, no, let's do it with paper. Let's figure out what works, what doesn't work, who gets it, what the next steps are, kind of map out the whole process and really do it the old fashioned way. And then once you have that, translate it into the technology. And that's kind of what we did when we first built the app. We had the spreadsheets and the photos and the output. So we knew we had the process down. We just had to automate that process. And I think if you try and just start with automation and not knowing the process, that's when you can really get into trouble.
Dude, that's gold. That's really gold right there. And it reminds me of a quote, which I'll probably screw up a little bit, but it was the Bill Gates quote, right? It's like technology applied to an inefficient process only amplifies the inefficiency. And then the reverse is also true, right? And so I think it's really interesting there of sort of saying, hey, listen, number one, if you try it the old fashioned way, like with a piece of paper, you can get that into the field quick.
Yeah.
Right. We always think like the MVP, right? Minimum viable product.
Exactly. Yep.
And you can MVP a piece of paper, bing, bang, boom, and then sort of see where it plays out. And so it's really about, and this is something I think manufacturers can connect to, it's the iterative approach, right? It's the sort of the continuous improvement, the Kaizen, the PDCA, just like, let's get something out there, test it, see if it works, improve it. And then it sounds like one of the things you're saying that improves it is the app. It's just amplifying what you're already doing.